I've had a song going through my head for a little while now. It's that theme song from the old TV show The Jeffersons. It's called Movin' On Up. Have you ever heard that song? It's all about an upwardly mobile family that moves to a deluxe apartment in the sky because they finally got a piece of the pie. I can't believe I just did that. Well, that's what I want you to do. I want you to think of yourself as upwardly mobile because your affiliate business can do that for you. Okay? I want you to get your fair share of the pie. You see, a lot of affiliate marketers start bringing in a little cash, maybe just enough to cover their bills, and then they stop trying. It's like they decided they were only worth $30,000 a year, or maybe $50,000 a year, or some other arbitrary number. But there is no arbitrary limit on what you can make with your affiliate marketing business. There's no boss telling you that you're only worth X number of dollars a year. You're the boss, so you get to decide how much you're worth. If you want to make more so you're more comfortable in life, you can do it. So make a plan, get serious, and do it. Let me go ahead and share with you a few tips for moving on up. First one, think big even if you're starting small. Some affiliates develop a touch of nearsightedness in that they can only see what's right in front of their nose, and everything else in the distance looks blurry. If you want to be a successful affiliate, then you need to always be considering how what you do today will affect what you do in the future. In other words, look at the big picture. You see, a lot of affiliates start small. Maybe they don't have the financial resources to launch their business properly. Maybe they don't have the time. Maybe they don't have the time or the money. And that's okay if you're starting small, but you need to be thinking big. Don't get comfortable with small lists, small amounts of traffic, or small commission checks. Make a business and marketing plan for how you're going to get from where you are today to where you want to be. In other words, every small thing that you do should be a step towards your larger goal. And let me give you an example. Let's say you're going to take out a banner ad on a niche site. This isn't the time to blow your whole advertising budget, okay? Instead, you start small by paying for a small number of impressions, such as maybe 1,000 or so. Then you carefully test the banner itself along with the ad venue. If it works, then you invest more money. If it keeps working, then you keep investing and you keep reinvesting back into this ad campaign. And then you want to start diversifying into other ad venues with your newfound profits. You start small, but you think big. And this brings us to the second point. The second bit of advice for growing your business is to reinvest back into your business. A lot of affiliates quit their day jobs at the first sign of success, which means that their affiliate income needs to pay all of their bills. So what happens? The affiliate isn't left with a whole lot of money to reinvest back into the business. The business grows slowly. It stagnates. And then the affiliate wonders when he'll be able to quit scraping by so he can enjoy the finer things in life. Here's the secret. If you want your business to grow quickly, then you need to reinvest back into your business. And yeah, this might mean that you need to keep your day job for a while. That way your day job can pay your mortgage and grocery bill while you reinvest every dollar of business profit right back into your business. Sure, eventually you will quit your day job. But the smart affiliate marketers know their business is going to grow faster as long as they keep reinvesting back into it. You might reinvest 100% of your profits at first, and then 75%, and then 50% or some other number. But the point is, make a commitment to reinvesting a certain percentage every month. Of course, this also means you need to be smart about what you're investing in. You don't want to just start throwing money around, like buying software, courses, or tools you don't really need. Listen, just because your friendly neighborhood tax accountant tells you that the purchase is a tax-deductible business expense, it doesn't mean it's a good purchase. So how do you know if something is a good purchase? Well, look at your business plan. If a tool, course, or resource supports some aspect of your business plan, then it's usually a good purchase. If you're buying the tool just because it looked so shiny and you swear it called you by name, then that may not be the best financial move. And now that I think about it, you may want to check yourself into a loony bin if you really did think the tool talked to you. But that's a discussion you should be having with your psychiatrist, not me, so let's move on. Advertising is always a good purchase, but only if you track and test your results to be sure that you are indeed getting good results. Necessary how-to courses are good purchases as long as they fit in with your business plan. In other words, buying a book about how to weave baskets underwater isn't a good purchase, unless that happens to be the niche where you're going to make your money. All right? Investing in outsourcing is also a good idea, as it frees up your time to focus on other, more important aspects of your business. For example, you don't need to create the lead magnets yourself. You can hire a professional to do them for you. So you get the idea. Always reinvest back into your business, but you want to be smart about it, which brings me to the last point. Look for shortcuts and tools that can make it easier for you to grow your business. As mentioned, outsourcing is one way to grow your business more quickly, using tools is another. For example, most all of us use autoresponders to build our lists because it would be a huge pain in the neck to manually add people to a list, manually send emails to them, manually remove them from a list, and so on. With an autoresponder through a good email service provider, you don't have to do any of this because the software does it for you. That's a pretty obvious example, and yet while most marketers would never think of managing an email list by hand, they waste a lot of time doing other things by hand, like designing their landing pages. Worse yet, some of these tasks require a big learning curve, so you end up finding yourself with your nose in a book trying to learn some complicated code. It's frustrating, and it's inefficient. It can eat up days or even weeks of your time. And of course, this is time you could be using much more productively, such as by generating traffic, tweaking a lead page, or developing a relationship with your joint venture partners. Listen, I just want you to know that there are tools that can do a lot of your day-to-day tasks for you. There are tools out there that can give you an edge over your competitors. If you want to grow your business fast, then don't waste time trying to do everything yourself. Instead, see if there's a tool that can do it for you.